Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mon Jose Smith Manila.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Brunch at the airport.
We are going to Davao.
Woohoo!
You saw my
Yum.
official pre-Davao food.
$1, wow.
Ay, wait. For the record, hati kaming tatlo dito.
Nino?
Ni Ariel at ni Cara.
Okay.
So,
Tinext din ako ng pal na nasa gate 7 na daw tayo, sabi ng pal.
Okay.
At kagabi nag-email yung pal na to apologize na wala daw wifi yung flight ko.
Apology accepted. What is your breakfast, Miss Cara?
Oh, we're eating asado siopao right now.
Carl, what is your breakfast?
I'm having portion siomai and rice.
Ariel, you are?
Water, 0, wow.
And si Bibay, umupo ng napakalayo. I don't understand why. Oo nga, mag-isa siya dun eh. Hi Bibay, good morning. Are you excited for this trip?
Very excited.
Beautiful. Ready. In Davao Airport. Wow, Ariel.
Yung sa bahay ni Papu, sabi ko, wow.
It's beautiful. Yes.
Take note, who influenced me? None other than
Influencer Ari.
influencer Aaron. And just so you know, a fellow teacher who saw this is also influenced
Yes.
as a downline by
Fuji. Beke naman.
Beke
Fuji,
naman. You
Saka
know,
nakita mo naman,
maybe each member wants to have their own.
Hintay ko na lang
Oo nga.
sponsor nila.
Wala akong
Maybe.
Parang lungkot.
Walang nakasabit o bag lang.
Ikaw, meron ka? Wala? Wala. Oh, ikaw, meron ka? Wala. First of all, Super Shrooms. Remember when you gave me this? I'm very thankful. And Thea has bought.
All the tinctures.
Yan.
How
So
much?
ngayon, ito, tinatawag ni Ariel na Donny Crepes.
How much do you use?
Dapat 2 ml. Pero ang pinaka-max lang ng isang squeeze ay 75. So 75, 75, and then 25. Oo, ganun yung torture na talaga.
Ganun karami kaagad?
Oo,
Ako,
Energy.
9 main Lions main.
Bakit?
oo.
Mas masama yung lasa na.
Meron ako Lions main.
Ganun yung Donny Crepes. Ay, ayan na.
Ay, sige. Bawal pa naman hindi.
Ariel.
Reaction.
Bakit lasang lupa?
Antan na ewa. Antan. Maduwal-duwal ako kanina.
Under the tongue.
I love that.
Bakit kasi ganito? Hindi yung pwede na naman ano.
Anyway, tama. Isa pa po kalabas. Isa pa po.
Kalamansi ka rin?
Oo.
Nag-cold ako.
Sige.
Wow! Pretty!
Oh my gosh! Ang ganda!
It is a double twin bed. Nagcha-charge na ako ng cellphone. Ooh, lovely.
Excited na akong matulog.
Exactly, actually. Sobrang soft bed. Soft bed.
Mas mahal ba ako ng asawa ko? niya? Hindi ko alam kung asawa niya yung nandun, yung katabi.
Thanks for letting us eat in your house. Yeah. Hi, Oreo. Here. Wow.
Here.
Wow.
Wala
Look at that. Hi, guys.
Look there.
So cute. A bracelet.
Ano ba natin? 3.
This is something magical. May label sa loob. What's yours?
I think pinili ako ng tatay ko.
Number 7
Mine is moss agate.
I got black onyx with
Uy,
pyrite.
okay yan.
Protection.
Kontra ano, yes.
Willpower and vitality.
Symbol for health, wealth, and friendships.
Yes. Ano yung sa'yo, Cara?
Okay, I think love.
Uy, ang ganda ng sa'yo. What's that?
Kailangan mo siya i-probe.
Stone of abundance and grounding. For mental clarity, emotional balance, and physical.
Yes, that's perfect. Show me. Where is the ding dong?
There's the ding dong.
Where?
There.
Oh, there's the ding dong.
Eh no.
Rumi getting water.
Yeah, water is life.
Yes.
Shout out kay Mimiya.
We are about to have lunch in Abriza Mall. We're waiting for everyone to come down. Pero andito na kami by the Christmas tree. Wow. Very nice. Very tall. I like this hotel very much. Seda Hotel.
Yes.
Seda Hotel Davao. Ding Dong and Papu are here. Ready for lunch. Where are the rest? Yes, technology. Hello. We are here. Waiting for Carl and Ariel. Look, that's us. That's us there. That's us. Hello, Mai.
Hello, Jen. Hi, Mike.
Hi.
Yes. Kung sa buhay, pwede rin yun. Dami pinressure ko.
So, pupunta po tayo ngayon sa out of nowhere. Doon tayo.
Out of nowhere yung mukha ko. Out of nowhere. So, tinatanong po namin bago pumunta dito, kailangan ba? Oo, naka-camera rin. Ang sabi ko, picture look. Sabi
Picture
ko, naka-ready ba
look.
dapat ba naka-picture look tayo? Yung pala ang term doon ay camera rin. Ang alis na.
Saan baby?
70% sa kalayo.
Let's go!
Ganda ba si Kalayo? Hindi naman sa kailangan na. Local ba siya o ano?
Hindi ko alam, hindi siya local.
internet.
I don't think so.
Kasi lahat na ng kulay natin dyan.
Kasi mas napansin ko siya dahil sa inyo eh. Dahil sa kapabanggit ninyo.
Hindi nga yan, okay lang natin ng blue. Yan. Yan. Ang ano yun,
Ang winter lang.
pang araneta.
Yan, kahit yan. Uri na natin yan.
Pwede pong 10 gibbs. 10 gibbs.
Oo, actually,
Diba, yun
you
yung
talked
report.
about it already. Hello.
Kaya masaya na ako sa ganun. May rice topping ko.
Parang nagawa ko.
Wow!
Titikman ko na itong vinaigrette.
Ito po na rin ha.
Okay, going for sound check in the activity center. Oh, malaki ng Christmas tree.
Down syndrome din sila na pintura sa kanila.
Oh!
Ng parang hindi yung Christmas.
Alright. We're gonna do it.
Once again.
Bibay, point out our stage. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Hello.
Sila yung
National
mag-national
anthem.
Sa reggae. Sila yung
Tapos kailangan may choreo sila.
Yes.
Ganun lang.
Kaya pwede ba sila na yung upuan?
Pero gusto ko yung
Ang dami pang space.
This is the expected crowd.
mga may luluhod.
Ready.
May show pala.
May show pala today. Yes.
Kasi parang nakasinaw yung...
Isang video.
Ang kulit ng mga kasama mo!
Mga kaibigan mo, Ariel,
Mga kabayang mga yan!
Please flex your purchase.
Hi, this is a cinema roll bag from the Sanrio universe. I got it from NCAT, a K-pop store, for only 380.
Okay.
So fluffy.
Ano ang laman ng iyong bag?
Pero ang laman lang na pwede nyo lagay sa kanya ay earphones, my wallet, my passport, house keys, a wad of cash in case of emergency,
So, walang wallet.
and a bottle. Yun na yung cash sa kanya. At pilit na yun.
So, yung fear kasi pinig ako sa Chris. Nasa tagal na. Ay, siguro ko na sa Merry Christmas. Pasko, ang ginawa sa Pasko? May in-adjust nung feeling ko. Ano na siya? In-adjust pa sila. Pero, pinagiri na rin. Ako ang sinita.
Oo.
Try natin.
So, pagka ito yung kayo yung nazap na pair, kayo yung maghuhuli? O si
Si Zop na yun.
Si Zop, hahanap ng iba.
So, zip, zap,
Zop.
Wow.
Zip.
Zap.
Zop. Wow.
Zap.
Zop. Wow.
Zip.
Zap.
Zop. Wow.
Yung K-pop intro rin. Hey guys, sorry ano ko lang dinilay ng
I need a big white room.
We're getting ready to do the show. Wala pa akong mic.
Alam niyo naman, Lola, na I can't kasi ikakasal na kami ni Jennifer. Jennifer!
Itong pinaghalong semento, graba at buhangin. Diyan sa Pretty.
Okay.
Okay. This time, this side naman tayo, Dingdong, Ama.
Questions
Ito naman po, question ang sasabihin ang kailangan namin. Question. Ano ang mga tanong na sinasabi mo sa iyong mga minamahal sa buhay? Okay? Ano ang mga questions na gusto mong sabihin sa secret crush mo, mga ganyan? Ano ang mga tanong?
Anong dugay ka niyo ulit?
Okay, that is a statement. Wala akong naiintindihan, of course. Pasensya na po.
Anong dugay ka ni ulit?
This. So this scene in Bisaya is inspired.
Post-show, everyone. Kamusta yung show?
It was fun!
Nilalaro nyo kami, Davao, ah. What's that?
Nilalaro kami!
Lahat ka lang, puro politika.
Sino to nandito? Ay, makala ko may Grabe!
Grabe! It's almost 4 in the morning and we are leaving for our flight to Manila. Almost 4 a.m. But we slept early naman. We slept mga 10:30. So, not bad. I will sleep some more on the plane. Morning, Papu.
Morning. It is 3:54. Sabi ng aking M-Well watch.
Morning, Deeds.
Morning, rise and shine, people of the Philippines.
Oh my God, ganyan siya sa umaga. Ganyan si Ding Dong sa umaga. Okay. Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Thank you, Davao. Thank you, Riza.
Wait, they got look at
Yan.
Hi, I'm feeling great.
At 4 in the morning. Thank you. This is our breakfast. We are putting things in boxes para we don't have to bring too many boxes. So pinagsasama namin ang pagkain namin.
Dalawa to. Ako na yung mga empty.
It's in there.
Pwedeng dala-dalawa o
Apat.
Good morning, Miss Thea.
Good morning.
How are you?
Feeling good?
Feeling good? Ready to go home?
No.
Ako rin eh. Putting all our pomelo
Ayan na ako tayo.
to check in. Alright.
Nakapaano ko 40 na, 40 sa 50 kilos, 5 baggages na lang.
40 na yan.
39 points.
Okay.
Kumana yung training na. Sabi ko sa'yo, huwag ka na pumasok. Kasi nang una siya.
So ngayon, nasa what?
Sa end na siya pumapasok. Para hindi siya mag-
Dapat mabigay ko
Breakfast at the airport.
Sa bring me.
Oh, sige.
Hard-boiled egg.
Carl yung ano.
Breakfast at the airport, Miss Thea.
An egg a day.
An egg.
Keeps the blues away.
Wow. We were given packed breakfast.
Thank you.
Yes.
Miss To,
Thank you very much.
said hotel.
Yes.
Thank you.
Wow, such a morning.
We are adults.
Good morning.
We are adults.